Want to buy $1 million home, but you only got a $500,000 budget? Check out this house hacking method on how you can double your home buying budget. Hey, I'm JC Agajanian. I'm a broker associate with the Whissel Realty Group at EXP. And today we're talking about hacking your budget. So the traditional way to go ahead and purchase a home is to talk with your lender. You know, they're going to pull credit and get some information about your income, and they're going to have your application complete, and they'll give you a budget. In this case, let's say $500,000. So sweet, got a $500,000 budget. Let's go shopping. Well, you may find out that there might not be anything out there for 500 grand that you really get excited about. So maybe you decide to keep renting, and then you watch your rent go up and up every year. And unfortunately, you know that you're just paying your landlord's mortgage instead of potentially paying one of your own. So what if you could be that landlord? This is where the house hacking comes in. See, how this works is you meet with your lender and you decide that 500 grand isn't going to be great for you, that you've surveyed the landscape, you're not really excited about properties at that price point. So what are we going to do? Well, we can house hack it by looking into multifamily property. What is multifamily? Well, anything that's going to hold multiple families. So we're talking about a duplex, which would be 2 units in the same building, split up with 2 separate kitchens, living rooms, etc. Of course, bedrooms, or a 3-unit home, which would be a triplex, or 4 with a quadplex. And just for your information, if they're not connected, we don't call them a duplex. We call it 2 on a lot, or 3 on a lot, or whatever the case may be. So, you know, let's take this example. You got a 3-unit property, and this is realistic. I think it was on the market maybe last year here in San Diego. It's a 3-unit property made up of 2 bedrooms. So we got 3 2-bedroom units for $1 million. Okay. So each of these 2-unit properties rented out for about $2,500 a month. So how does this all work? Well, obviously you need a place to live and you're sick of paying rent, right? So you live in one of those units and you rent out the other 2 units, and you're going to bring in about 5 grand a month in rent. But you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I'll never get approved for $1 million. We just decided that my budget was $500,000. So this is actually where the beautiful part about house hacking comes in. And frankly, the way that mortgage lenders look at multifamily properties, 2 to 4 unit buildings. Your lender is going to look at this 5 grand per month that is coming in. They're going to lop it a little bit for things like vacancies and problems with the property. So they're going to give you about 75% of that $5,000. So we got 4 grand coming in now after they've taken away 25%. They're just going to add it to your monthly income. So they're just going to pretend that you now make $4,000 a month more than you do in real life. So now with that $4,000 additional income, you can really unlock anywhere from $500,000 to $700,000 in extra purchasing price. That's impressive, right? So the icing on the cake is that this mortgage that you're going to pay on this $1 million home minus the rent you're collecting, in this case, will probably be less than that $500,000 home that you weren't excited about at all. So you went from a $500,000 home that you maybe even hate, probably wouldn't buy because you decided to keep renting, to a $1 million home that you love. Not only that, you've got a similar payment and you get the benefit of appreciation on a $1 million property rather than appreciation on a $500,000 property. And to top it all off, you can even do this with as little as 3% down, or if you're in the military, 0 down. I mean, it's brilliant the way it's set up. So this simple hack can not only double your budget, but it can really help you build a foundation for passive income for the rest of your life in the future. It's a fantastic first move before you get into that traditional single-family home. So don't forget that this is always available to you, and you can do this every 2 years if you want to. So if you'd like to talk about this more, I'd love to chat with you. Reach out here, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.